Greetings everyone, I am Ardalita Muhammad together with my group Nora Kaya Sangkula and Siti Maha Borjal. We are students of accountancy at the Universidad de Zamboanga. Our focus today will be on the query function within Google Sheets. We aim to provide a clear understanding of how to leverage this function to enhance your spreadsheet management and make it more dynamic. And we have Siti Maha Borjal. She will be presenting the features of the query function.
So good day to everyone. I am Siti Maha Borjal. For this video, we will be presenting on one of Google Sheets' most robust and flexible function, the query function. This function is a game changer for anyone dealing with data analysis and reporting directly within their spreadsheet. So this is the basic syntax, the red one. This is the basic syntax of the query function. It consists of three main parts, as you can see here. The function takes three arguments: the data, it specifies the range of cells you want to analyze; the query, this is where you write the actual command that tells the function what to do; and the headers, this is optional. It specifies the number of header rows in your data range. And we also have here the core query demands, the orange one, that are essential commands used to specify, filter, order, and group data within a query function. So we have here the select command, which dictates exactly what information we want to retrieve. Then where commands the row based on specified condition. Next is the order by command, which helps us arrange or result in a logical sequence. And finally, the group by command, a powerful tool for aggregating data based on shared characteristics. Filter by text. If you want to filter all this theme, we have yellow theme, blue theme, red theme. So if you want to filter the red theme, we will use this formula. So equals query, and then A1 to C13, comma, and then our command, select all, where B is equal, to red, and then our header. So equals query, then A1 equals C13, comma, and then the select command A, C, where C is greater than 50, and then our header. So if you want them to group by their total points or average point, we will use this formula for total points and this formula for average points. So first is the total points, equal query A1 to C13 equals to select B. And if you want the total points, we will use the sum C group by B, and then for header. There we go for the total points. Query A1 to C13, select command, select B. So if you want the average point, you will use AVG. So we will use AVG, C group by B, and our header. Wait, I'm sorry. Oh, this one, select B. So there we go for the average points.
So, to wrap it all up, the query function is like the brain of Google Sheets. It lets you talk to your data in plain English, or at least in a language that feels close. So, The next time you open Google Sheets, remember, you're not just working with cells and numbers, you're commanding your data to work for you. That's all, and thank you very much for listening. And I hope that you learned something from this video. Bye!